In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check in online using the EasyJet app. Checking in online is a convenient way to streamline your travel experience, saving you time and effort at the airport. So let's dive in and walk through each step to make sure your next trip with EasyJet is as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll need to head over to the EasyJet website. Simply use the link provided below. And once you're on the homepage, look around for the check-in button. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you can begin your check-in process. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to enter your travel details. You'll need your booking reference, which is also known as your airline reference. You can generally find this in your confirmation email or any other booking correspondence you've received. Alongside this, you'll also need to provide your surname, just as it appears on your booking. Enter these details accurately to avoid any hiccups as you proceed. Moving forward, the next task on your list is to add your passport information. This essential step ensures that your travel documents are in order and that EasyJet has all the necessary details for your flight. Take a moment to double check all entries. A simple mistake here could lead to unnecessary delays. After you've successfully added your passport details, you may have the option to include flight extras. Things like additional baggage, meal preferences, or other amenities can be selected at this stage. Keep in mind though that these extras might incur additional charges, which you'll need to pay directly on the airline's website. With all these steps behind you, it's time to secure your boarding cards. You can either print them out or download them digitally onto your phone or a mobile device. Having a digital copy is super convenient and environmentally friendly, plus it reduces the chances of losing a paper ticket amidst your travel gear. If you desire a little more comfort or have specific needs during your flight, you still have the opportunity to pre-book extras like preferred seating. You can do this by navigating to the Manage Bookings tab, where all these options will be available. It's a great way to tailor your journey according to your personal preferences or requirements. And that's it. With these steps complete, you've successfully checked in online for your EasyJet flight. You're now equipped for a hassle-free journey. Next time you fly, consider repeating this process to keep your travel stress levels to a minimum. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you have a great flight.